Hi guys, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Today is not a very bright day. Outside is rainy, it's dark, but guess what? I have some light for you guys. So today we're going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel on a budget. So my girlfriend Paige has asked me to do this video. Girl, I'm doing this one for you. So let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this one. I upload every Thursdays and Sundays just for you. And guys, because I want to keep you in the loop, I'll be sharing the topic of my next video in an end card in every video. So if you don't know what an end card is, this is an end card and this is the topic for my next video. But in other videos, it will be at the end of the video. I hope that wasn't too confusing. To start a YouTube channel is completely free. Yes, you've heard me right. It is completely free. All you need is a Google account to sign into your YouTube. Your Google account works across all Google products, such as your Gmail, your Blogger, your YouTube, and a host of other amazing tools. But today we will be looking at how you can start your YouTube channel on a budget. A disclaimer here, I am not a tech person. All the information I'll give you today is based on my personal experiences, okay? So please don't hold me to anything. Now, your channel setup costs will depend on the type of YouTube channel you want to start and what you want your audience to see. As you know, there are different types of YouTube channels: vlog, beauty, tech, DIY, and travel channels. Okay, so let's look at starting a vlog channel. This is perhaps the cheapest to start because all you really need is your smartphone with a good camera. If you go back to some of my older videos, you'll notice there's a difference between the older videos and the ones now. It's because back then I was using my iPhone 7 Plus and now I'm using a DSLR camera. The iPhone 7 Plus was sufficient, don't get me wrong, it was sufficient. So you can really start your vlog using your phone. I later got this mini tripod for my phone, which has come in very handy because I have been able to put the phone in various places and show different visual angles. One advantage for me using the Apple product is the editing software that comes with the Apple product, which is the iMovie, and it is completely free. Now, if you have Android, you can also get different softwares, but the iPhone, the Apple products, comes with the editing software, which I find is very useful. So I don't have to pay for extra editing software. That's what I still use up to today. So using your cell phone should be a breeze to start your vlog channel, right? There are some challenges that you might face if you use your phone to do your vlogs and edit and everything. One, you will run out of space because your phone has so much space and no more. Number two is that you're using the same device for multiple things. So that can prove complicated. So you're using the device to text, to take calls, to video, to edit. You know, that's kind of an overload. And number three is that you don't have space on your phone to store, let's say, previous videos. So like a backup system. But these issues can be resolved. By the way, if you have a Google account, with every Google account, you get 15 gigabytes of free space in the cloud. Use that to your advantage, save your videos on there. Another solution is if you have a computer, you can video with your phone, but you transfer all the data to your computer. You can store them on an external drive, which is not expensive. You can get one for like $15 or 15 euros. Now, let's say you want to start a travel adventure channel. You can start very simple, also with your cell phone. But let's say you want to take your viewers on a trip of a lifetime. Here are some tools that I think you will need. One, you will need a camera. This can be your smartphone, or you can level up to a compact camera, a bridge camera, or a DSLR camera. It's purely up to your preference and what you want your audience to see, right? Remember we talked about that earlier. Now I have a DSLR camera, which I bought recently. For sit-down videos, I love it. It's perfect. That's what I'm using now for videos like these. But let's say I'm going on the road and I'm filming something, I'm moving about. it's quite bulky, right? If I'm being very honest, it's quite bulky, and sometimes I wish I'd gotten a compact camera, right? So it's up to you and what you can manage. So the next thing you'll need for your travel adventure channel is a microphone. Now the camera, if you decide to go for a bit more expensive camera and not use your cell phone, then the camera has an internal microphone, but it doesn't sound quite as good as if you have an external microphone. Now this microphone can be a point and shoot like what I'm using right now, or it can be a microphone that's on your body. I don't know what they're called, sorry about that. But it can be either, and as a travel channel, I think you need like multiple, you know, you need to be flexible with your sounds. Will you be jumping off of cliffs into the beautiful Caribbean Sea like at the world's famous Ritz Cafe in Jamaica? If your answer is yes, then you will need a action cam. Why do you need an action cam? Well, you don't want to be jumping in any water with your main camera, especially if it's not water protected. So an action cam is usually protected, usually comes with all the gears, and it's made for stuff like that. So you swimming and going through the water will create amazing footage for your audience. On the flip side to an action cam, you will need a drone. Long gone are the days when drones were more expensive than our monthly food bills. No longer. You can get a drone like my drone here for $300 or less, and it will give you nice, beautiful aerial footage for your audience. So other knickknacks you will need for your channel are like tripods, battery packs, because you never want to run out of power. You'll need memory cards, you'll need charger, you'll need a backpack to transport all your goodies, all your equipments safely. You will need headphones and other things. Finally for today, let's say you want to start a beauty channel. You can use your cell phone, but I think you will need quality visuals, quality, clear, bright visual for a beauty channel, because you want to show all these beauties, right? You want to show the glamour and the glitter. So you have options, right? So you will need extra light. You can use natural light, but when you use natural light, you're left up to the mercies of nature, really. You don't know what will happen. If it goes dark, then that's the quality of footage you will get to show your audience, and you don't want to risk that. Ring lights have become very popular of lately. As I said, I'm not a techie person, so I don't know why ring lights over, let's say, soft boxes. But I've been using 2 ring lights, and I'm happy with the quality that they give me. Pertaining to editing software, Hanno has just given me a tip for you guys, so you have to thank Hanno. So he says there's a software called DaVinci Resolve that is free, and you can use it on your Apple products, you can use it on Android and on Linux. So check out DaVinci Resolve. There is a free version and there's a paid version. So check that out and see how you like it. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. That's my 2 cents on how to start a YouTube channel on a budget. It really depends on what kind of YouTube channel you're gonna start and the visuals you want your audience to see. That's what it comes down to. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let's have a chat in the comment section. Bye for now. Level up and DSLR. Look on a vlog channel, right? So with a vlog, why am I saying vlog? Like at the world's famous oh shit.